Hi, here is Yetlong Yuan, presenting course IFN 661-84 with road traffic monitoring system. Here is the case study. There are many car accidents happen every year. In Australia, more than 1,000 people die every year because of car crash. In US, there are around 30,000 people die every year for the same reason. In average, 90 people die per day. More and more uncountable injured and non-injured car accidents happen every day. To keep yourself safety, road traffic monitoring has been taken to detect overspeeding, cross red light, and other dangerous driving. Here is the sensor set. Induction loop sensors is using the relationship between kinetic energy from the vehicle and the magnetic field to detect the vehicle passing or arriving at a certain point. For instance, approaching a traffic light or in a motorway traffic. Some may use pressure sensors for the same detection. On another hand, laser radars, passive infrared, ultrasonic, and video camera may implicate to detect the speed of the vehicle. These sensors are connected to an access point through CB protocol to send the data to the network. The access point collects this raw data and sends the data to the internet by cellular. To simplify these sensors, we use dock to replace it. In some cases, multi-hop communication is accomplished to send the data to the internet by using the repeater inside the access point. The base station is collecting the data from the access point and helping to phrase the data into more meaningful and send it to the internet. The cloud data center will integrate the data for monitoring use. And this is the whole wireless sensor network in traffic monitoring system. Let's review again. There is sensors to detect the overspeeding, cross red light, and other dangerous driving action. These sensors can be induction loop sensors, pressure sensors, laser radars, passive infrared, ultrasonic, and video camera. These sensors send the raw data via the CB network. It's sent to the access point. The access point collects all the data will send to the base station. The base station will collect all the data and turn it into meaningful data, and then it will send it to the cloud data center via the cellular. The cloud data center will send all the information to the traffic control system, which is doing the traffic monitoring. Business benefit. Comparing to the traditional wire network, the wireless sensor does a good job in easy install and uninstall. Simply plug and use. The deployment time is short and the cost is very low. The system provides a reliable and real-time communication between sensors and the monitoring center that play a critical role to this system. In more detail, the system does ensure delay guarantee and reduce low data loss to keep the system integral. For the driver, it's more about enjoying driving with a safety environment and a smooth routing. Future development. The future development of the traffic monitoring system will be smart traffic. But why? We saw the smart traffic in the first page. Because the system is not smart enough to take the self-configuration in traffic control. It is still a growing system to interact with Internet of Things. The future of it can be the navigation, smart parking, and traffic optimization. Second, emerge with smart city ecosystem, cooperating with other components inside the city, such as smart grid. It connects to the smart grid to provide a pollution prevention and the detection. AI car use the information from the road size to provide a good decision in self-driving. However, security will be a big issue to ensure all the surveys above. Therefore, we will talk about it more in next activity. Here is the reference, and thank you.